So Canva has begun very recently to roll out a new feature, and that feature is advanced filtering for photo searching. I'm going to show you what I mean. And if you're a member of our How to Use Canva Facebook group, you might have seen me recently make a post about this and share a screenshot of what that looks like. Note that this is not available for most users yet. It has only rolled out to Canva certified creatives, and I'm not entirely clear on whether this is going to be a feature that's available for free accounts or just pro accounts. As soon as I know, I will let you know. But in the meantime, I did want to show you how to use that. So once you do get access to that feature, you will know how to use it. So let's start by creating a new design. And then we're going to come on over here to photos. Now, up until recently, you could search on, let's say, flowers, and you would just come up with all their photo options. And you might have seen an option right around here to click and only display free photos. But what you might notice here is that there is a new filter tool that is going to be rolling out. Now, if I just want to see pink flowers, I can click on this now. Let's say I wanted to only see free flowers and pink flowers, and I only want ones that are square in orientation. Now I can apply the filters. In this case, I'm looking for something a little too specific, so let's change that. Let's take off the free and see if that comes up with something. There you go. So now you have all of these paid for, or rather these pro and paid for options that are square in orientation, and it's only pink flowers. So let's do another example. Let's say I'm looking for winter photos. Actually, let's take that filter off. I'm going to clear the filter. And let's look for winter photos. And let's say I only want to see winter photos that are blue, and I only want ones that are horizontal. And I want all levels. I want free, pro, and premium. I'm going to apply the filters, and now it's going to give me all of the photos that meet those filter requirements. So this is going to be really helpful if you're looking for something very specific, and it's going to cut out a lot of the time that you might be spending right now looking for just the perfect photo in the Canva photo library. So once this does roll out more largely, I will definitely be letting you know, and in the meantime, this is something that you can look forward to.